Namaste. I'm Yogrishi Vishvketu, and today I like to teach a yogic technique to help you to go deeper sleep. Those people have insomnia or harder to relax, this practice for them is magical. It takes about 10 minutes and make you to very relaxed and help you to go to the deeper sleep. Let's laying on your back. Slightly open your arms and hands. Keep eyes closed. A few deeper breathing. And breathing is happening in your belly. As you inhale, raise your belly up. As you exhale, your belly going down. And continue relax mentally, physically, emotionally, and pay attention on your breath. A little more relax your face, eyes, eyebrows, forehead, Ajna chakra, third eye, middle of the forehead, little more relaxed. Continue. Happier breathing into your belly. Big inhale, big exhale. Relax your legs, relax your hands. Relax your spine. Relax abdominal organs, lungs, heart pumping. Little more relax your crown. Relax your face. Now, let's just follow my instruction and pay attention on your breath. Happy inhale in your belly. Exhale. Exhale a little longer, but no sound of your breathing at all. Inhale in your belly. Exhale longer. And as you exhaling, just feel you melting with Mother Earth. Inhale in your belly. Exhale longer. Inhale in your belly. Pay attention on it. Exhale longer. Keep doing that. Continue relax your face. Continue relax your legs, hands, spine, shoulders. Continue longer breathing into your belly and make your exhale a little bit more longer than inhalation. And just imagination, you're relaxing. You're able to relax and you are relaxing every muscles, every joints, your nerves, every tissues and cells is relaxing. Relaxing your right and left side of brain. Continue breathing into your belly. Exhaling longer. Wonderful. Bring subtle smile on your face. Happier. Happier inhale. Happier exhale. Continue inhaling in your navel and exhaling from your navel. Make exhale a little bit longer and melting with Mother Earth. Relax your five senses, relax your mind, and let go things from the day. Lots of things you complete, and quite a few things is incomplete. Just make promise to yourself, those things is incomplete or unfinished, you will do tomorrow or later. You are not sleeping with them. You just relax. Relax. Relax your legs, hands, face, spine, abdominal organs, glands, chakras. Keep relaxing, keep melting, keep melting. Relax your right and left side of brain. Keep relaxing, keep relaxing. Just few more breathing into your navel. Now let go your breath, and your breath is just happening very slow. Keep eyes closed, keep relaxing, keep relaxing, body, mind. Sleeping is very important. And you can sleep only when you able to relax, when you able to let go things. Otherwise, your mind continue involve and keep you wake up. Just let go, and it's time to rest, deeper rest. When you able to go deeper rest, so you release the stress from your cellular level. Otherwise we keep collecting, and this technique is just very simple, and is magical. You can continue. You do this practice every day before going to sleep. If you have insomnia, magical practice. If you have hard time to falling into sleep, that's the practice you do. If you want to deeper sleep, that's the practice. But you have to do it. Do every day before going to sleep. It definitely is going to help you. Thank you very much practicing with me, and see you in next videos. I am making these videos for people who are looking a little bit more authentic yoga, yoga for spiritual, and if you like those videos, you can subscribe and send to your friends. Thank you very much. Hari Om from Rishikesh.